Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery Division of Simpler Trading's free video. What's today about? Today is all about things following each other. What do I mean by that? Products, futures, indexes, however you want to say it. All I'm watching is things relative to other indicators and other 15 moving averages. So a lot of what I show is determining if something's in an uptrend or a downtrend. And this is where it gets tough. Number one, I like to show the MACD. I did a whole indicator thing this morning and also in the YouTube restream room. This is what I'm watching. You're overbought here, but the QQQ, as you see on the top, is over the 50. So in a way, that's like an uptrend. On the other hand, so many other indexes were over it. They peaked their heads over the 50. They were overbought, as you see on the bottom, and they got destroyed. Destroyed. So you got that. You got the Dow Jones. Yep, it peaked its head above. You see it hooked on the way down here, and then got nailed. The same with the transports. The same with the bond market. The same with gold. A tremendous amount of them. Now, this is a big tell in my book, that gold was actually comfortably above that red line, the 50 moving average, but overbought. So overbought in an uptrend, guess what? It didn't matter. It sold off too. So the only one surviving right now is the NASDAQ. So I can show you the NASDAQ and zoom in and show you what we're talking about. Oh, there's your 50 moving average. So how about the ES? It's right at it, right at it. And this is something I put for everybody on our site, on the Chart Patterns Mastery, is all about this Wednesday AM levels. We can remove that one. We got one already. And what are we talking about? We're talking about the ES on an hourly chart. And when you zoom out, you'll see the AM levels. Wednesday at 4 a.m. On the other side, on the other hand, look at the NASDAQ here. Like I said, these are the two left standing that are over their 50. The NASDAQ that would be equivalent to here. But right now, the NASDAQ's all the way up here on the upper right, while the ES is right at it. So my theory is if this plows through it like the transports and the gold and everything else, then you're going to see the NASDAQ underperform tomorrow and probably try to get back to that level. That's how it looks to me. The other thing, and I can't stress it enough, about this whole thing about buybacks at the last minute. The ES all day acted weak relative to the NASDAQ, but the NVIDIAs of the world acted great until, guess what? 1550, right when they can't buy back stock. There you go. There's 2.5 quick points for you. We were short the QQQ. We were short the SPX and the 10th of the XPX, the XSP, and we're very successful with it. And that's what we're going to play tomorrow. So the biggest deal tomorrow, number one, is the bond market. Bond market getting trashed on a daily chart. This usually hurts high PE and high price to sales stocks the most. On the other hand, the NASDAQ was the one that held up the most, even though that has the high price to sales price earnings. You would think that would have underperformed. I think that's going to underperform tomorrow if the bond market doesn't have a massive rally. So I hope you've enjoyed this small video. Tune in tomorrow. Let's see if we're right. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.